Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP video update for Thursday 21 of July. And we've seen our SOP yesterday making its way all the way up here to 503, and that was a technical target out of an inverse head and shoulder. Played out very perfectly, beautifully done, amazing. The trade is actually out of the way. Now at the moment we are down here at a very important level, and this is going to be a support level, okay? And you're really going to have to be careful at the moment, because if you start to lose this level, okay, right now you're bouncing off it, it's amazing, but if you start to close below 411, that's not going to be a good sign, because all you're doing is, even though you push to the upside, it's like you trap people and you want to actually go back here and drop people to the downside, okay? So that's the meaning of this pump. It could be that get everyone interested in it and then dump all the way to the downside, okay? And you want to join our signals as well, very quickly. We do have like nearly 9 more days to close the signal, so you can check the video detail on how to join our signals as well. So it's super cheap. There's a video here for the guideline and agreement for signals. You can check that out. Now back into the 4-hour time frame here, and let's talk about the 4-hour time frame as well. We do have 3 black crows at the moment, and that's not a good sign. So 3 red candles back to back, and the only good thing about it is you're bouncing off the support level at the moment, but there's a good chance that you come down and you lose this 412, because that 3 black crows over here means continuation of a downtrend, okay? So as long as you're above this line 412, amazing. And I would say, even if someone is in a trade, the stop loss is going to be like what, 2.7 or 2.8% loss at the moment. But I'm not going to be trading it. I don't know, I'm just going to let the weekend pass by and see what happens on the weekend. And that's it for today's update on SOP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.